In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily preserve the last night mode settings on your iPhone's camera. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And first off, if we open up Camera app and if we make the environment darker, it will show us that night mode icon over here. If the icon looks like that, it means that now night mode turned on. It turns on automatically, depends on the light around you. However, we can easily manually turn night mode off. All we have to do is just tap at that icon, and when the icon is crossed out, it means that night mode is currently turned off. However, if we close Camera app and then after a while if we open it up again, night mode settings will be automatically set to auto. But now let me show you how we can easily preserve the last night mode settings. To do that, first off, we need to open up our device settings and then scroll all the way down until we find camera. On that page, you can easily find preserve settings. After that, you will be taken to the page where you need to scroll down a bit until you find night mode. Basically, guys, all we have to do here is just turn it on. While it is turned on, it will preserve the night mode settings rather than automatically reset night mode to auto. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.